ಚಟ್ನಿ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಟೂ ಮಚ್, ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಟ್ನಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಇನ್ಸಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಮೆನಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಕೋಇನ್ಸಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಕೋಡ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಪಕೋಡ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ, ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಗೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಇಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೋದಲ್ಲ. ಇಡ್ಲಿ, ಚಟ್ನಿ, ಪಕೋಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಈ ರೀತಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಲೈಕ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಒನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ನೋಡ್ದಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ವಿತೌಟ್ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಟೆಲ್. ಕಮ್ ಆನ್, ವಿತೌಟ್ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು? ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಬರೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಡ್ಲಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಚಟ್ನಿ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಪಕೋಡ ಇಲ್ಲ, नहीं है पकोड़ा. Okay, now we'll come to the subject. I for how many solutions? One solution. Coincident lines, how many solutions? Many solutions. Parallel lines, how many solutions? Simple. Table ತಗೋತಿಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ನೋ? ಇಡ್ಲಿ, ಚಟ್ನಿ, ಪಕೋಡ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Good. We'll move to one more. How many of you feel trigonometry is, sir, scary? Be honest. You can raise your hand. Trigonometry is a challenge. Yeah, I know. We'll come to that. Simple. Now, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. First time ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಇದು ಯಾವ ಊರಿಂದು ಭಾಷೆ ಈ ತರ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತು ನನಗೆ. ಯಾ, ಇದೇನಿದು sin theta ಅಂತ, cos theta ಅಂತ, tan theta ಅಂತ? क्या है ऐसा खाना भी है कोसे गोंगा इने कर. Okay? Simple. Sin theta means opposite to hypotenuse. ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಏನು? ಓ. ಹೈಪೋಟೆನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಗೆ ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಓ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಓ. ನೌ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಬೈ ಹೈಪೋಟೆನ್ಯೂಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಎ, ಹೈಪೋಟೆನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಎಚ್. ಎ ಹೆಚ್ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಹೇಳಿ. ಆ. ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ. ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓ, ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೌ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಬೈ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್. ಓ ಬೈ ಎ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಹೇಳಿ. ಐ ಓ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಓಯ್ ಹೌದು ಜೈ ಜೈ बुलाते ओए आओ जी जय क्रिकेट खेलेंगे जाको पढ़ने का रहता चलता एग्जाम में बहुत पढ़ लेना सप्लीमेंट्री को पढ़ाई जाकर को बोलने सब पीछे ओके ओए now we'll repeat sin theta means o cos theta tan theta now ಇವಾಗ those who still don't know also oh ಅಂದ್ರೆ oh ಅಲ್ವಾ o for h for sin theta finish come to cos theta a for h for cos theta done tan theta o for a for done finish simple trick o a o a इतना याद रखने तो होगा ना खत्म ना टेंशन इसलिए रहता एग्जाम में sin theta cos theta on these basics you are going to get 1 mark question 2 marks as well then on identities also you get questions yeah we'll move see for example like this question you have these questions you will get we'll move see students one more thing I tell you see one part is scoring good in SSLC that is one part second thing is ಈ SSLC ಇರುವ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೊ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ HCM LCM ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ AP ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ then you have section formula distance formula simple just remember the formula yeah now can you I think you cannot see can't say the formula okay don't worry we'll move can you tell me what is this very good Pythagoras theorem how it is going to be helpful I tell you for example ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಪರ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ when I was in 10th standard before preparatory I was finding it very difficult to remember ಸಖತ್ ಕಷ್ಟ ಯಾ ನೆನಪು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ now if you ask me ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಹೇಳ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ here hey listen here in any right angle square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the two sides ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇಷ್ಟೇ ತಾನೇ ಭೇದ ಆಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ. If you do state and true, you will get 5 marks, right? I will tell you competitive exams how it is going to help you. You should know the basic concept. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಂ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್? ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. AC square is equal to AB square plus. Very good. This much you should know. Okay? How will be the question? I will show you. I will read the question. Don't worry. You will get a question like this. In competitive exam, we have a concept called as direction and distance. He is walking in north, south. I will read the question. Don't worry. A person leaves home and walks for south kilometer. Can you tell me which is this direction? Very good. North. ಇದು ನಾರ್ತ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಇದು ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಐ ರಿಯಲಿ ಅಪ್ರಿಷಿಯೇಟ್. ನೌ ಎ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಹೋಮ್, ಇವನ ಮನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡನ, ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ 4 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಸೌತ್. ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್? ಡೌನ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೌತ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಸೌತ್. ಯಾ. ಸೊ 4 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಇವೆ. ಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್. ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದೆ, ಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್. Correct? East. Very good. Correct. East direction going how many? 3 kilometers. What is the shortest distance? ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. How will you calculate? Can somebody tell me the answer? Very good. Very good. Very good. I think PRS school, mashallah, they are rocking. Basura sir, I really appreciate. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Very good. Entire MMTRS, very good. They are responding. I want other schools also to respond. ಬೇರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು, दूसरे स्कूल के बच्चे भी response करना. You should interact. Yeah? Fine. How did I get 5? Simple. AC square is equal to AB square plus. What is AB? 4 square plus what is BC? 3 square alwa. 4 square means 16. 3 square means 9. AC square means 25. Square root of 25 means simple alva. Idu ನೀವು ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಯು ನೋ ದ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 3 4 ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ 5 ಇನ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಅದರ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಸ್, ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? Pythagoras theorem. If it is 3 4 you can say answer it is 5. This is how you are going to get the question in exam. कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में आपको क्वेश्चन ऐसा आता, मालूम है? पाइथागोरस थ्योरम में बोलते हो ना, तुम्हें समझ लेना ऐसा आया डायरेक्शन में, फिर ऐसा गया तो क्या हुआ? ये पाइथागोरस थ्योरम आता है. सो सिंपल लॉजिक अप्लाई करो, यू विल क्लियर. ओके, दैट्स हाउ मोस्ट ऑफ द टॉपिक्स है. प्रोबेबिलिटी. हां, आई विल जस्ट मूव. ओके, यू रिमेंबर प्राइम नंबर्स. ಅವಿಭಾಜ್ಯಕ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್? Very good. 2. What is the next prime number? 4 is not a prime number. 3. Next. Very good. Next. Very good. Next. 9 is not a prime number. 11. Next. 13. Next. 17. Next. 19. Very good. Next. 23. Very good. Which school? मौलाना आजाद. माशाल्लाह. आजाद साहब की इज्जत आप बचा रहे हैं. रेस्पॉन्स करें तो समझ मालूम होता है कौन सी स्कूल के बच्चे यहीं करते हैं. रिजल्ट है मालूम होता ना. बोल इफ यू आर रेस्पॉन्डिंग मींस यू हैव लर्न. मालूम रहने में ना रेस्पॉन्ड प्लीज हो. चुप बैठेंगे तो सीखे नहीं करके समझ लेते हो तुम्हें. यू शुड रेस्पॉन्ड. यू माइट हैव दैट स्टेज फियर. रिमूव ऑल दैट. टॉक टू मी. ओके, नाउ 23. वेरी गुड. आफ्टर 23. वेरी गुड. आफ्टर 27. 29. Okay, good, correct. Now this is the question from IAS exam 2020. Okay, look at it carefully. IAS exam 2020 साल का क्वेश्चन आपको दिखा रहा हूं, मैं आप सॉल्व कर सकती हैं. Look here, look at the number. क्या बोल रही है नंबर देखो. This is with related to prime numbers. 14, 18. Observe them. Can somebody raise your hand if you have understood the question? अच्छे नंबर देखो बस. 14, 18, 20 ये नंबर देखे तो आपको क्या हिंट देकर है क्वेश्चन में प्राइम नंबर बोल. क्वेश्चन में हिंट ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ. ನೋ, ಗುಡ್ ಟ್ರೈ. ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಹಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಸಾಕು ಏನು ಅಂತ. ಯಾ 2 7s No, no, beta, no, beta. That's not. Prime number. Okay, fine. Tell me, look at the number 14 allo bardirodu. Which is the nearest prime number? Bolo. 13. Correct. See here, 13 is the prime number, but we given 14, which means plus 1 they have done. Correct. Very good. Next number is, what is the next number after 13 prime number? 17 plus 1. What is the next prime? 19 plus 1. Next prime number. 23 plus 1. Next prime number. Plus 1. Next prime number. 31 plus 1. This is the question. Now we will go to answer. What is the next prime number after 31? 34 no. 37 is the next prime number. So what is the answer? Very good. Give yourself a big round of applause. MMDRS or answer ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Very good. So next number is 37 plus 1. क्या है इसमें IAS ऑफिसर को पूछने जैसा क्वेश्चन ना. क्वेश्चन पूछती हो तुम्हारी प्राइमरी स्कूल का हाई स्कूल का बेसिक. आप जो हाई स्कूल में पढ़ रहे हैं ये बेसिक आएगा क्वेश्चन. आप मत सोचोगे कौन सी दूसरे आसमान से जाएंगे क्वेश्चन आपको दे रही. नो. What you are studying here, whatever you are studying here, this is going to be helpful. Okay? Your high school studies are extremely important. With the example I have shown you how this can help you in even exam like IAS. जब IAS एग्जाम में आप क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर सकती, ये क्वेश्चन भी कर सकती ना. Yes or no? Yes. You should believe yourself. That's it. One more question for you. Come on. Let us see which school will answer. Maulana Azad will answer. MMDRS will answer this question. Look at the numbers. Come on. Let me see which school will answer. अपनी स्कूल का नाम रोशन करना. ये चैलेंज आपको. Look at the numbers and give me an answer. You should raise your hand. Come on. सॉल्व कर सकती. नंबर्स देखे तो मालूम आया था. नंबर्स देखे तो just look at the numbers. Raise your hand if you know the answer. Raise your hand. Yeah? What is the answer? Very good. How? Okay. Which school you are from? Very good. Give them a big round of applause. Maulana Azad School. MashaAllah. Very good. Yeah? Yeah. Very good. So Maulana Azad School they answered. अब ये बताओ, अब IAS का क्वेश्चन इतना इजी से बोल रही ना? Yeah? This is how things will be. If you know from now itself properly, future it's going to be helpful. I'll read the question. आपको नहीं दिखेगा. First part of question, commercial tax inspector का परसों वाला एग्जाम का क्वेश्चन लाइव लिखा रहा हूँ आपको. Product of two numbers is 35. The question is, first part of question is product of two numbers 35. दो नंबर्स का मल्टीप्लाई करें तो 35 होना. अगर को बोली look at 3 and 7, 5 and 7, 7 and 9, 5 and 9. Simple. 7 and 5. That's it, right? What is the big deal about this answering the question? Simple. High school का product का मालूम रहा तो खत्म ना. Even a primary school student can answer, right? ये ना answer ये नहीं. Very good. So option B, 5 and 7. MMDRS answered this question. Very good. Very good. Now, who is this? Come on. Yeah? This is Shakuntala Devi. I will show a video about her. Have a look at the video. Look at her video. Look at her talent now. Just look at how talented she is. Listen. Observe carefully. कितना फास्ट उन्होंने सॉल्व करके देखो without any calculator. Just observe. Observe. Such a big number she can solve. See such a big numbers without any calculator. Yeah. See how she will answer that. She is asking, should I answer from this side to this side or this side to this side? इधर से बोलोगे आंसर, उल्टा बोलोगे कब कुछ नहीं सो. She is such a confident. Look there. Yeah. See. लास्ट पेज पे आ जाओ, खाली है सीखा आ जाओ बेटा जरा में व्हाइट शर्ट्स एक कॉर्नर में चलेगा. You saw that such a big answer she did without any calculators. Can we give a big round of applause to Shakuntala Devi? कितने बड़े जीनियस है. No, do you think she is genius? Calculator she is doing. हम ना 12 का टेबल बोलेंगे तो डंडा लेती बच्चे. I will teach you. Do you want to learn some tricks? Yes sir. सीखती तुम्हें भी जरा. बोल बजा तो सीखती एक दो tricks sir. Inshallah. Those teachers who have mobile phone, they can see. I will answer without mobile phone. You see with mobile. Calculator आसान कर लो. जो teachers के पास है. I will show you. The trick is how to multiply with 11. 11 into करके आप टाइप कर ले calculator. Okay? बेटा simple number बोलो. दो नंबर simple. बोल. 25. Okay. 25 is the number she said. So teachers can check if 11 into 25 is 275. Check kar. Yes. Yes. Very good. This side बोलो बेटा. कौन सा नंबर है? छोटा simple सा नंबर बोलो. 33. Okay. See here. 33. Check if it is 363. Check. Yes. 363. Okay. Last. 22, see here. 22, 242. Check. Yes. This side. Will come to the top. Yeah. So 72, 792. Check. 792. Correct. I will give you the trick now. I will give you the trick. Don't worry. Okay. 99. 99. Okay. 99 also I will write it, okay? Check if it is 1089. Correct? 1089. Correct? How much time I took? Few seconds. You can also do it. I will teach you the trick right now. Abhi sikhata hu. Okay? Look here. Look here carefully. This trick is applicable for 11. Only when you multiply with 11. See here. 25. Write 2. Write 5. 2 plus 5 becomes 270. You got the idea? Write 2, write 5. 2 plus 5, 7. 275. See one more number. Write 3. Again this 3. 3 plus 3? 22. Write 2, write 2. 2 plus 2? 72. 7, 2. 7 plus 2? 9. Now what happens? 9, 9. I wrote 9. 9 plus 9? 18. I can write 8 because this is double digit. 8 1 gets carried. Carry होता 1. 1 plus 9. Got it? Can you do it now? मैं बोलता हूँ आपको number. Can you try it? Yes sir. Tell me what is 11 into 32. Yeah. Very good. Very good. 11 into 43. Very good. 11 into 53. Very good, very good, brilliant. 11 into 71. 781. Easy. और एक 11 into 45. Got it? Easy. Like this, there are many tricks, but this is just the beginning. Easy. Was it easy? Helpful? पसंद आया? ट्रिक पसंद आया तो क्या बोलना, क्या करना? क्लैप्स देना, अप्रिशिएट करना कभी अच्छे चीजें दी. One more I teach you. One more trick. One more you want? Do you want first of all? Yes. Bona. Okay. Squares of the numbers ending with 5. For example, 15 square. See here. 5 5s are 25. 1 into next number. Number is 2. Into 2. Carefully. 25. 5 5s are 25. This is 2. Next number. 2 into 3. 6. 8 now है. Okay. 35. 5 5s are 25, right? This is 3. What is the next number? 3 into 4. Please somebody check if 35 into 35 is 1225. Correct? 45 also into 5. 4 into, this is 25. 4 into 5. 2025. Got it? This is how you will do for any number ending with 5. Squares. Got it? Did you like the tricks? Yes sir, no? Yes sir. पूछ को थाला मोरा को बोला सुनना मैं. पसंद आया तो अप्रिशिएट करना. Yeah? Good. If you all effort, अगर आप भी effort डालते हैं तो आप भी ऐसा नाम करेंगे. यह भी बड़ी बात है. You have to put effort. शकुंतला देवी put effort, lot of effort since her childhood, so she achieved that success. आप भी आपसे कोशिश करें तो भी you can also achieve इंशाल्लाह. Yeah? ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Now quickly move. Okay. Ray diagrams. How many of you get confused? Yeah, lot of people. Yes, I know. Okay. So don't worry. If you have a notes, just write this much. Object लिख लो. Object then image. I will tell you this. Ray diagrams you are going to get in the exam. Compulsory question. Ray diagrams. Yeah. Object and image. Object on top. Image below it. Right? I tell you the trick. जिनके पास notes नहीं है, no problem. Observe carefully. दिमाग में note कर लियो. You will not forget it, inshallah. Yeah. See here. I for infinity. C for C is there. F is there. P is there. Right? Yeah. So first what you will do? Write I C F P. Give some gap. Write I C F P. Okay? I see it in the first line. Second line. Don't the is 3 you reverse. You write it here. C here itself. I will come here. F and I will get interchange. Okay? Done? Now listen carefully. In ray diagrams, you will see here. I have given the table also. Confirmation on the table here. Look here. I still don't understand why so many students are walking. Yeah, please be seated. Look here carefully. If the object is it at infinity, image at. Look at the table. Object at infinity, image at. Simple. You got one there. You got the marks there. Now, if the object is beyond C, the image is between F and C. Correct? Now, if the object is at C, image is at C. Simple. See here. Object is at C. Image also at C. Simple. Now, if the object is between C and F, that is beyond C, image will be between. Correct. Now, see here. Beyond C idre. Yeah. Object is between C and F idre. Image is beyond C. Simple. Now, if the object is at F, image at. That is infinity. If the object is at F, image is at. आगे वही तला table. This much you will get the table. I'll tell you how to understand nature of the image. When it is enlarged, when it is diminished. Simple. Listen to this carefully. See here. Infinity means far away. तुम्बा दूर, बहुत दूर. Infinity को तो दूर कर. अगर object बहुत दूर है, image करीब में है, तो object दूर का image क्या होती? क्या होती है? छोटी हो जाती. Simple. It is called as highly diminished. बहुत छोटी हो जाती है. ऑब्जेक्ट इतना बड़ा है, इतनी दूर से आ रहा ऑब्जेक्ट है, इमेज इतनी जाती है. इट इज कॉल्ड एज हाईली डिमिनिश्ड बिकॉज ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट फार, इमेज इज नियर बाय. सो दैट्स व्हाई दीस आर ऑल डिमिनिश्ड. बट ऑब्जेक्ट एट सी, इमेज आल्सो एट सी, सो इमेज रिमेन्स द सेम. इट विल नॉट डिमिनिश, इट विल रिमेन द सेम. ठीक है? अब सामने का को रिवर्स हो जाता. अब क्या हो रहा है यहाँ? आफ्टर सी, ऑब्जेक्ट इज गोइंग नियर बाय, image is going to infinity. Yes, L are simple. This is what you have to write in the table. Ray diagrams, they'll ask you, you have to write this. If you write this, you'll get good marks. Ray diagrams extremely important. You got it? Easy? Are you able to follow? Yes, very good. We'll move मुश्किल फिजिकल न्यूमेरिकल्स फिजिक्स का या yes I know don't worry what you should do is you should simply remember this triangle Ohm's law nothing is there in this what is Ohm's law current is proportional to potential difference voltage hota or what you can say voltage is proportional to current करके बोले तो चलता yeah now we'll go quickly thank you yes okay see here you should write this triangle you should write down this triangle what it means is P is equal to I into that's all on this question you are going to get numerical problems if you want to calculate voltage current into resistance out of these three ये तीन चीजें हैं वोल्टेज करंट रेजिस्टेंस तीन चीजों में दो चीजें उन्होंने दे दी थर्ड वन तो फाइंड आउट करना था मल्टीप्लाई करो नहीं तो डिवाइड करो तक सिंपल से फाइंड आउट करना है तक ऐसे ओम्स लॉ का लॉजिक इफ दे गिव यू वोल्टेज एंड रेजिस्टेंस यू कैन फाइंड आउट करंट I is equal to V by R can you repeat I is equal to very good same way if they give you voltage and current resistance is equal to टच ना करना सो और क्या है करने का इसमें they will give you all the data you have to substitute those who think it is difficult कौन डर को अभी तक फिजिक्स न्यूमेरिकल्स टच नहीं करे especially for you remember they will give you the data just to substitute that's it okay got it yeah we'll move to yeah what do you see here कौन सा बोल सकते हैं क्या नजर आपको ये क्या घर को इमेजिन करो घर में कौन पूरा रेशन सभी लागू देती सो अप्पा लागू देती करेक्ट यहाँ क्या दिस रसीन कब करेक्ट या वेरी गुड now this brings us to biology we can link how we can link I'll tell you know something called as xylem and phloem xylem what it does it transports all the minerals and waters to leaves simple if I relate to my life situation father brings all the materials everything and comes into the kitchen he brings into home right so xylem means here papa ho gaya na xylem correct same way phloem prepares the food it supplies all the food from leaves to other parts of and simple phloem ओष्टा घर में अम्मी पूरा फूड सभी सबको देती है हमेशा खाना खिलाती सो या so we can relate xylem to abba and phloem to ammi very easily you can remember xylem and phloem got it without seeing you can repeat xylem is transports mineral and water to leaves phloem means from the leaves to other place yeah now this is the question which was asked in latest KPSC exam chemical bond which involves sharing of electron come on who said very good correct which school mashallah very good give them a big round of applause maulana azad school very good covalent bond good KPSC exam में पूछ को ऐसा परसों के डिग्री के ऊपर पूछी ना वो एग्जाम है see how you can actually answer these questions coming to social science you have something called as characteristics of an entrepreneur yeah you have yes or no this is the last phase social science is the last phase many students get confused so many things are there sir how can I remember so many things are there I will give you an idea what I do is I will take the first letter of each word and make one quote for example those who know cricket IPL Delhi Daredevils will go in cricket Delhi Daredevils team okay so imagine this is a cricket match between Delhi Daredevils and RCB which is the Bangalore team RCB as of now here RCB and okay. Delhi Daredevils won the toss क्या हुआ Delhi Daredevils toss against RCB okay now who is the batsman here जोर से बोलो Chris Gayle correct Chris Gayle is the opening batsman now recall the story Delhi Daredevils toss RCB instead of B it is P Chris Gayle now I will tell you how you can actually tell the answers D means here in your social science एग्जाम में भी डेली डेली सिखाऊंगा डायनामिज्म वन मोर डी डिसीजन मेकिंग टीम बिल्डिंग बोर्ड आर मींस सी मींस P means one more C means G means A means I means L means I want any volunteers from each school who can come and tell me. Come on, volunteers from each school. I want Maulana Azad at least 1 or 2 students and MMDR at least 1 or 2. एक एक ले जाती है जल्दी 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 फास्ट फास्ट टाइम कम है खत्म करना जल्दी खाने का टाइम हो जाना भूख लग रही मुझे नो नो जस्ट किडिंग जल्दी जल्दी इफ यू वांट वर्क मेरा फुट तुम्हें रेस्पॉन्स करना कम फास्ट आ जाओ किसे डर लगता म्हणजे याद नहीं छोटा होना तुमने याद करा तुम्हें एक सीट है ना बस इट्स ओके those who think their memory is very bad you come you take it as a challenge come on this is the day